Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to have a bit of a change of scenery. We're going out to the Erith Model Railway Club annual January exhibition. So stay tuned and let's see what's on offer.
My mum had a hospital appointment Friday at midday, so I was taken to that and come back. I thought, what time to sort of well, enough time I've got to stand for the Friday set up. But the trouble went there, I don't know.
Oh, that can't stop. That can't stop. Oh, of course. You go, no. And then you go round again. Oh, no, you do that. Obviously, a bit more progress, yeah.
I think you're on to it. You say you don't get the communication going.
I'm sorry, mate.
Yeah, I know.
Really proud.
Yeah, so in the bottom left it's ground height.
Yes.
To the right it's standard one height. But to give it over to the right hand side, you have to bring it forward, bring it back over like I said, and then move it forward again.
I've seen a guy do it and it looks like the track must have gradient, but it doesn't. The track is actually level. And as you say, it's so time. Not that I've got the time at the moment, but I now know
What your
what I'll do.
medium-term goal
Yes.
is.
I keep taking it out,
Yeah.
putting it on my desk and fiddling with it. I'm making over.
Artistic license and there's British and summary, there's a lot of people it is.
So when the main, that's actually
007 went on.
Set up, then we had a couple of complications with electric. We sorted them out. Then we went to
A better model than I was.
Right, we're about to do one of our speciality moves. It takes a couple of minutes, so it's a good video, I promise you.
Right. Got fittings off John Hayes. He doesn't run his shop now, he used to have an online shop. Yeah.
So starting off the model show hall, we've got 3 commercial vehicles. 2 of them are white metal, and then the third one is a plastic wicking, I think it's called, container lorry. But those were all the princely sum of £3. Next up is a box of chain link fencing from a manufacturer I've never heard of before, Bush, but it looks like a German manufacturer. That was £4.50. Inside the box we've got a bunch of stanchions or poles which are glued to these sheets of like metal mesh, and it will produce a length of chain link fencing, and this is suitable for N or TT. I got a roll of wire for £10, which should see me able to complete all the point wiring on the layout. I've got a pack of 4 skips from Model Scene Accessories. That was £1. And for £2 I managed to pick up a Fleetline Scarab mechanical horse, I believe they call it, mechanical tractor and trailer. I really like the Fleetline kits. You know, they're so vintage, and you can pick them up for next to nothing. Not as obviously well polished as the Oxfords, but a fraction of the price. And then a real bargain was this pile of what looked like Metcalfe sheets, brick textures, stone textures, bit of paving, all offcuts from other kits or half-built kits, and that was £3. And finally I bought a Metcalfe Hotel Wednesday kit for the princely sum of £9, so gonna look forward to putting that one together, and that will go on the elevated street scene on section 1 of the layout. So a really great day out at the Erith Model Railway Society exhibition. Definitely one to go to next year, and recommended, particularly if you're into N-gauge, because there was certainly a lot of N-gauge layouts there. Lots of roundy layouts as well. So I did see Mike from Budget Model Railways there, so he was enjoying himself. No doubt he'll make his own video in the future. But yeah, really good show. Probably the best I've been to in the last year of getting back into the hobby. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye now.